Hey everyone, today I'm going to be trying to repair this Mario Kart 7 Luigi diecast. It's missing its head, and I got this Hot Wheels diecast to try and fix it, so let's get into it. Mario Kart has had a long history with its diecasts. During Mario Kart 7 it started out being made by Tomy, then once Mario Kart 8 came around, it was done by Jakks Pacific, and then we get to today where it's done by Hot Wheels. So, this Luigi is going to help us fix this Mario Kart 7 Luigi from way back then. So let's just take a look at the box. We've got Hot Wheels Mario Kart and a big picture of Luigi. And I believe this is just on every box. And here's Luigi in the Mach 8. And just here's some other cars you can get too. So I'm going to get this unboxed, and then we'll get into the repair. Here's Luigi out of the box, and I just wanted to point out that the background on this box art looks very similar to the one in the Mario Kart 7 box art. I thought that's interesting because this is based on Mario Kart 8. But anyways, let's take a look at the diecast itself. Taking a closer look, we can see that the diecast is very well detailed and very faithful to the original game, with a few changes. I reviewed this Luigi a very long time ago, and you can see that they've actually done a design change in order to protect the axles for the wheels. So how are we going to use this to repair this Luigi? I have an idea that might just make both of them look brand new. Starting off, the first thing I did was remove Luigi's cap to reveal the security screw. Once it was off, I was able to remove the head. On the older diecast, I decided to remove some of the excess plastic where the head used to be, and glue in a piece of a toothpick for the new head to slide into. From here, I was able to add Luigi's head and his cap. I also tried to clean off some of the rust and corrosion underneath. On the Hot Wheels, I discovered that if you remove the center screw, the character is actually removable too. I decided to make this paper Luigi, so tell me what you think in the comments. I would say I'm pretty happy with how this restoration and customization went. I was able to repair this Luigi, and it looks very clean and almost like it never was broken in the first place. And I was able to make this custom car that looks pretty cool too. I'm really glad I was able to repair this Luigi. Since the characters are removable on the Hot Wheels cars, that opens up a whole ton of different possibilities for different customs and combinations. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.